Senior Meghalaya BJP legislator and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek has said that the expert committee should maintain status quo on the reservation policy, though he has suggested the expert committee on reservation headed by Justice retired Mool Chand Garg that the policy should be amended without touching its originality. Hek suggested that each community should give half of this reservation quota for the people living in below the poverty line.
Touching the originality of the reservation policy, I had given my suggestion as like this: 40% for the Khasi Jaintia, it should keep 20% for general and 40% general mean for the general of Khasi Jaintia only. Out of the 40% of the Khasi Jaintia reservation, out of 40, my suggestion is it will remain the same only. 40% will be divided into two category only of to the Khasi Jaintia. 20% for the Khasi Jaintia general and 20% also for the Khasi Jaintia, the poorest of the poor, for the BPL family. The same thing for the Garu, also 40%. For out of 40% Garu reservation policy, 20% for general of only the Garu community and also 20% only for Garu community, that is for the BPL family.